We're standing in the Advanced Technology Training Center here in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Well, this particular training center has just been opened. So what we've done here is we've actually expanded our overhaul capabilities to bring in more equipment and to allow us to work on other types of compressors that we have out there in the industry. So the biggest thing for me is the space. With this huge training center, it allows us to have more equipment, also adjust as needed in the future. If we need to put new equipment in here or so forth, we can adjust this area to make that happen. We are investing heavily in making sure that everyone has everything that they need to do their jobs correctly. Coming from the basement of Building 12, see what we came from and how tight everything was and the limited amount of space to now having an open area where we have so much more room to work with. One of the biggest issues is getting it in here. We obviously need to have cranes and different lifting equipment to get it in here. So at the moment we have 3 compressors that we've got on skids, and then also we have a centrivac chiller that's actually our old building chiller that we're able to pull apart. So we're utilizing some of those compressors and chillers for our training. The biggest feature with the classroom is the ability to look into the training center. So hopefully it creates that excitement when you first come to La Crosse, when you come to the training room, when you sit down and you get to look into the training area and see all the chillers that they're going to be pulling apart. Not only have we invested in equipment, but we've also invested in tools as well. So not only just hand tools, but also specialized tools, just to show technicians some of the tools that we can use in the field to make things a lot safer. One of the biggest issues that we run into with training is that we spend a lot of time in the classroom. So out here, it literally allows us to have the technicians come out and be in the training area while we're doing training. We have TV monitors out here that we can show some of the content that we want to get across, and then allow them to get straight into doing the overhaul without having to go back into the classroom. One of the biggest features being here in La Crosse is the ability to go to the factory and see how we build these chillers. And so we can actually get a better understanding of how we do things here in La Crosse, so that it gives you a better understanding when you go to the field and look at one of these machines, where it came from and how it was built. Being in the field for 20 years, I understand some of the problems that we run into. Hopefully we can try to create as real world environment situation as possible so that you guys walk away with the best possible experience.